Hello. I hope you are all doing well at this point in the semester, keeping up with the work. As you know, the topic selection for Essay 3 is due today. And then the research paper topic selection is due pretty quick. I'm jumping on to give this message in video as opposed to just typing out an announcement because I fear that my announcements maybe aren't being read. I just finished grading a set of the discussion board posts about the essay, "The Dog Ate My Tablet and Other Tales of Woe," and at least 50% of the submissions were about our dependence on technology and how upsetting it is when dogs actually eat our tablets. That is not what the essay is about. But that is the answer that AI will give you when you use an AI-generated response. I've noticed in this class, more than any of my others, so many AI responses to the essays and to the discussion board topics, and it's incredibly frustrating. I have AI detectors which can spot it. They've gotten pretty good, but it's also a lot of times common sense. I know what student writing looks like, and I know what AI writing looks like. And I have to say, many of you are doing fine. If you're not using AI, this message isn't for you. But if you are, it's incredibly disappointing and frustrating to have to weed through what's essentially nonsense. I'm not going to give you a grade. I'm going to continue to give you a 0. And until you reach out and email me back like I've asked you to do and set up a time to do a timed essay under Proctorio, you will continue to get 0s on your assignments. Again, I understand that sometimes we use AI to perhaps improve grammar or sentence structure, but to use AI to turn in an entire essay is just lazy. And quite frankly, I don't know why you're in college if you're doing that. I don't use AI to grade papers, so I would appreciate if you not use AI to write papers. Thank you. Have a good day.